Hello students, in the chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals, let's see our next topic, exterior angles. The sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. So we already learnt what is a polygon. So what is a polygon? Any figure that is made of straight lines, that is called polygon. Okay, so it can be the number of sides can be anything, right from 3 to n number of sides the polygon can have. So whatever the number of sides can be, the exterior angle. So let's learn what is exterior angle, then we will see that the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Okay, so let's take this triangle. So exterior angle means what? This side. Okay, side from here to here is there, no? This is extended outside the figure. Okay, so the angle it making with the corresponding side is there, no? That is called exterior angle. Okay, so for this the exterior angle is y, and for this exterior angle is x, and for this exterior angle is z. Then for this triangle, the sum of these exterior angles will be equal to 360 degree. Okay, then let's move to the next figure. Okay, this is a quadrilateral. It is having 4 sides and these are the exterior angle. Okay, this is exterior angle A, B, C, D. Okay, if you add A plus B plus C plus D, it will be equal to 360 degree. Okay, not only for 3-sided figure or 4-sided figure, it can be any number of sided polygon it can be. For that, the sum of the exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so from this what we can find out, the exterior angle of a regular n-sided polygon is 360 degree divided by n. Okay, suppose exterior angle we don't know, how to find out? So we can find out by 360 divided by n, that is number of sides, then it will give the exterior angle. Okay, so if the that is for especially for regular polygon. Regular polygon means what? All sides and angles are equal. Okay, regular means what? All sides and all the angles are equal, then only we call it as regular polygon. So here both the figures are not regular polygon. Okay, all the angles are not same, all the sides are not same, so this is not regular polygon. When you have all sides and angles equal, that is only called regular polygon. Then we can use this formula to find out the exterior angle. Okay, so all exterior angles will be same in that figure. That's why we can use only for that figure. Okay, so here also these are some examples. Okay, so this is a square, this is a equilateral triangle, then this is a pentagon, just for reference. Okay, so let's see the next point. This is applicable to irregular polygons also. The sum will remain the same whether it is regular or irregular, small or large polygon. Okay, so this sum of the exterior angle equal to 360 degree we told, no? That is applicable for both regular and irregular polygon. Okay, only thing is we can't find out the exterior angle. When we know the number of sides and if you want to find out the exterior angle, we can't find out for a irregular polygon. But the sum of the exterior angles, okay, sum of the exterior angles will be equal to 360 degree for both regular and irregular polygon. Okay, understood? With this we can solve exercise 4.2. First problem, find x in the following figures. So this is your first figure. Okay, so here 2 angles are given. We have to find out one of the exterior angle, that is x. So how to find out? Let's see. We know that the sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon equal to 360 degree. Okay, by rule we know, right? So by that we can add all 3 angles. That's the sum of the exterior angles. Okay, so 125 plus 125 plus x equal to 360 degree. So when you want x, what we have to do? We have to bring the known angles to the other side of equal to. Okay, so 125 plus 125 is 250 plus x equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 minus 250 equal to 110 degree. Okay, that's a answer for x. Okay, hence x is equal to 110 degree. So this is second figure. So we have to find out x. Okay, so we have to find out x here. So how to find out? So it's a five-sided figure. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides are there. Okay, sum of all the exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. That is already known. So let's find out y. Okay, y is here. It's already given. This interior angle is 90 degree. Then what will be the exterior angle? That will also be 90 degree. Why? Because this is a linear pair. Okay, linear means on a straight line two adjacent angles are there. That is called linear pair. So we can find out like angle y equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90 degree. Okay, then z is equal to 90 degree. Here that symbol alone given, but 90 degree is not given. So we can write 90 degree. Okay, so only unknown is x now. So x plus y plus 60 plus z plus 70 equal to 360 degree. Why? Because sum of all the exterior angles of polygon equal to 360 degree. So now substitute the value for y and z. Okay, so only x is unknown. So bring all these to the RHS. Okay, x plus 310 equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 minus 310 equal to 50 degree. That's the answer. Okay, next problem. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. So you have to read the question clearly. Okay, measure of each exterior angles of regular polygon. Okay, I already told only this can be applied for regular polygon. So it's already given in the question. So we can use the formula 360 degree divided by n. Okay, so let's solve. We know the sum of all the exterior angles of polygon equal to 360 degree. Each exterior angle equal to sum of exterior angle divided by number of sides. So what is sum of exterior angle? 360 degree. Okay, then number of sides is 9. That's given in the question. 9 sides they have given. So 360 divided by 9 equal to 40 degree. Okay, that's the exterior angle. Then next subdivision is 15 sides. Okay, same procedure, but only thing is 360 divided by 15. Okay, that calculation we have to do. We will get 24 degree. That's the answer. Okay. Then third problem. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? Okay, so exterior angle they have given, regular polygon also they have given. We have to find out number of sides. So just the reverse of the previous problem. Okay, so 360 degree divided by measure of an exterior angle you can take. I have given angle here, you can take it as exterior angle. That is given as 24. So 360 divided by 24 equal to 15. That means number of sides is 15. Okay, just reverse of the previous problem. Now fourth problem, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? Okay, so how many sides of a regular polygon? So regular polygon means all sides and angles are equal. Then only we can solve this problem. It's already given regular polygon. Okay, we have to find out interior angle is 160 degree. Okay, read carefully, it's interior angle. So interior angle equal to 160 degree, 65 degree. So exterior angle will be 180 minus 165 degree. Why? Because interior angle and exterior angle are the linear pair. So its addition will give you 180 degree. Okay, that's why in order to find out exterior angle, you have to minus 165 from 180 degree. Okay, so the exterior angle is 15 degree. Now we can solve now. Number of sides equal to sum of exterior angles by each interior angle. So what is the sum of exterior angle? It is 360 degree. Then each exterior angle is, just now we found out, it is 15. 360 divided by 15 equal to 24 sides. Okay, this regular polygon is going to have 24 sides. Okay. Then fifth problem, is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22? First let us see this alone, then we can move to question B. Okay, so what it is asked, any regular poly can be there if the exterior angle is 22. Okay, how can we can say it is possible or not? Let's see. Exterior angle is 22. Number of sides means what we can do? Sum of the exterior angles by each exterior angle will going to give you number of sides. Okay, so let's substitute and see. So 360 divided by 22. Okay, answer is 16.36. Can any polygon can have sides as decimal? 16.36. That many number of sides can we take? It's not possible, right? Number of sides means it should be as a whole number. Okay, mostly from 3 to n. Okay, then only we can have a polygon. So this is not at all possible. We can't have number of sides as decimal. So this is not possible. Okay, no, we can't have a regular polygon with each exterior angle as 22, as it is not a divisor of 360. Okay, so now coming to B question. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon Y? Okay, so this 22, if it is an interior angle, will it be possible? So let's see. Interior angle equal to 22 degree. So can we do anything with interior angle? No, we have to find out exterior angle. So exterior angle means 180 minus 22, because these are the linear pair. So 180 minus 22 equal to 158 degree. Number of sides equal to sum of exterior angle by each exterior angle. So 360 divided by 158 equal to 2.27. Now also same. It's having decimal number. Number of sides cannot be in decimals or in fraction. So this is not possible. Okay. Now moving to sixth problem. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon Y? Okay, so for a regular polygon, what can be the minimum least interior angle they are asking. So what is the known regular polygon which is having less number of sides? Can we have one-sided figure? No. Can we have two-sided figure? No. Three-sided figure? That's a triangle. Okay. We can have a triangle. That's a polygon. It's a closed figure made of straight lines. Okay. So it's a polygon. So only a triangle is the least number of sided polygon. Okay. So that's why we are taking regular polygon means equilateral triangle we should take. So angles are equal and sides also equal. Okay. So equilateral triangle is a regular polygon with three sides, has a least possible minimum interior angle because the regular with minimum sides can be constructed with three sides at least. Since the sum of interior angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree, each exterior angle equal to each interior angle, okay, each interior angle equal to 180 divided by 3 equal to 60 degree. Okay, so each degree is interior angle. Here they asked only interior. Okay, so each interior angle is 60 degree. Okay, now next question. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? Okay, now also for which polygon we can have a maximum exterior angle? When we have minimum interior angle only, we can have maximum exterior angle. Is it not? If you have this angle minimum only, you can have this angle more. Okay, so don't think about any other polygon, only equilateral triangle only you can form. Okay, so equilateral triangle is a regular polygon with three sides, has a maximum exterior angle because the regular polygon with least number of sides have the maximum exterior angle possible. Okay, so maximum exterior possible, how much it can be? 180 minus 60 degree. Why 60 degree? It's the interior angle. So 120 is the maximum exterior angle. Understood? I hope you all understood this exercise. Practice it. Try to learn it. If you have any doubt, ask me. Thank you, children.